Hey everybody, John Sump here again, bringing you another video where we're interviewing the experts. And this week's expert is John Rader. John, say hello.
Hello everyone.
So John's with
State Farm.
State Farms, and John does homeowners insurance along with
Auto insurance, life insurance, business insurance, and about anything you need.
pretty much everything, right?
That's it.
That's awesome. So we wanted to have a little conversation with you regarding homeowners insurance because a lot of people, from my experience, don't stay up on it, either their fault or their agent's fault. Now I know John actually checks in with people. How often, John?
We try to set up every year, so annually a review to kind of touch base, review, and just make sure that nothing's changed. Life changes often, so it's important to kind of stay on top of that.
It most definitely is. I mean, I've actually bought homes that other people had catch on fire that were severely underinsured because they never updated their insurance, and they couldn't afford to, the amount of money the insurance was going to give them wouldn't cover the repair and their living expenses and things like that.
Right.
And, so that's why it's real important that if you don't have a great insurance agent like John, you need to get one that will stay in touch with you every year to make sure you're covered. The other thing is, like for myself personally, I was robbed one time. My house was broken into. I won't say who the insurance company was, but it wasn't a great company like John. They basically had me figure out the value of everything by going on eBay and figuring out the buy now value of everything, and then turning around, and it was, for us, it was almost $40,000 worth of items that were stolen, and I got a check for $350.
Ouch. That can hurt.
That really hurts. So, what do you recommend for people that, with these other items? Like, I mean, I was in my early 30s and I didn't know that you should insure other things.
Right. So a couple of things I think you touched on is, one is that review process, right? And ideally, we reach out to our customers. That doesn't always happen. So it is important as the homeowner or even a renter, whatever it might be for you, to reach out and find out, hey, can we review my coverage? Some people, you're in your home 10, 15, 20 years. 20 years goes by, and if you haven't reviewed that, you haven't changed anything, a lot can happen, right? So the main thing is to know what your coverage is, know what you're protected for and what you're not. Right. So that's kind of the first part. The next thing is, it's good to inventory your home a little bit. And I always tell my customers, walk around your home, take your camera and videotape it. It's very easy. Get your rooms. It does two things for you, John. One is if there's a theft or a fire, you're kind of distraught, right? So you're not thinking right. You're trying to remember what was where, what you lost. Right. And at that point, it's hard to kind of cope with everything. So if you can go back and look at that and say, oh man, this was here. This is my grandfather's, whatever it might be. Not only does it give you the proof that, yeah, you had it, but also it helps you remember. So those are kind of some key points that we like to
That's a great idea.
You do. Make sure you follow up on that
one.
Yeah.
Well, perfect.
And then the other thing that you kind of touched on is, some of your jewelry, firearms, some high-priced paintings. A lot of time those have
coin
limits. Coin collections. There's limits on that stuff.
Right.
And so there are certain policies that will cover you for that, John. But you've got to make sure that you're getting those, or that your agent's having that conversation with you, so you know that that's something you need, and it's not just assume that it's covered.
So, John, I mean, with all this information that we're sharing with everybody, what is the best way for people to get a hold of you to at least talk to an agent that's competent?
We make it easy for you, John. Obviously, we're in Lodi, but we serve all of California. You can find us online. My website's just johnrader.com, or stop by the office or give us a call. Our office phone number is 209-224-8885. Makes it easy. So stop by the office. You can call us. You can email. Find us on the website. We want to make it easy for you. I've got a team of licensed professionals that are there with me. So
perfect.
Even if I'm with a customer or out of the office, I've got a team that can help you and assist you doing the same thing as well.
Awesome. All right. Well, as always, everybody, I hope this was very helpful for you. And if so, please like and share it. And as always, make it a great day. Hey, thanks a bunch for taking time to watch this video. Don't forget to check out these other videos over here, and do me a huge favor and like and subscribe. Thanks, and make it a great day.